What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday! Know what that means? Dance party time! Let's go! That was fun. Time to show you something cool. Ooh. Alright, so for today's demonstration, I'm going to be playing with Play-Doh. If you don't have any Play-Doh at home, I'm going to post a link down below how to make some easy homemade Play-Doh that doesn't require too many ingredients so that you can join along with us. But if you do just have some Play-Doh, then get it out. What I'm doing first is I'm just kind of getting it into a ball, like a sphere. You can roll it in between the palms of your hands and kind of switch it around, push it, get it nice and round, smooth, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand, one on top of the other, and I'm going to smush. I'm going to take my palm and I'm going to work out the sides of the Play-Doh to make it bigger. Okay, and then eventually you can kind of get your thumbs in there. Don't spread it out too thin, but we want the thick parts to be moved out to the edges. Okay, just like that. I got a nice flat Play-Doh surface. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from the middle of my Play-Doh and I'm just going to rip about down to the middle. Okay, I'm going to take this side, one side, whichever side you want, and I'm going to curl it over this way to give it a little bit more Play-Doh. You can wrap that kind of in there. Press. Kind of flatten this back out again. And I'm going to stretch this out. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to start to spiral roll. The tighter you get this, the tighter you're going to get your spirals. Okay, just like that. Leave that one there. Do the same thing with the other side. So, folding it in on itself, kind of like a taco. Stretch it out. Any thick parts can be stretched out to make it longer. Start to roll it inwards. Tighter you roll it, the more curves you get. Alright, so I've got these two right here, right? Okay, so I'm going to kind of look. I got this, and I'm going to kind of go inwards. Alright, so that the back of my Play-Doh is going to start touching. And I can take that back, and I'm going to pinch and push. Pinch and push. Okay, so it's all one piece. Be very careful with these sides so you don't ruin all that beautiful work. Pinch and push these inwards. Take my finger, push down. Okay. I got that weird looking guy right there, right? I'm going to kind of bunch this up. I need to pinch these back together a couple times, still being kind of careful that you don't completely ruin your spirals. Fold this in. I'm kind of trying to get this like circle shape going here. I'm going to take my thumbs. I'm going to press them inwards like this. Okay, still kind of trying to keep these guys down. And what I'm going to do is this middle part right here, I'm going to start pushing that up a little bit more. You can kind of flatten it out. Doesn't have any creases in it. Okay. You can also, if you need, take a pencil to get those lines in there a little bit better. Just be patient with it. Okay, same thing with the top. You can kind of take that, flatten it out a little bit. All right, I want to add some details. I can take these in the bottom, kind of pinch them upwards a little bit more. Okay, now from the back, I got a lot of Play-Doh back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a pinch off the back. And I'm going to roll this into a sphere. And actually, I can take this and split it into two because I got a little bit too much. Whatever is left over, you just kind of work it back in there. Rework my little eye sockets. Alright, I stick these two in to the eye sockets for the eyes. Just like that. And then I can take a pencil. I'm using the end of a paintbrush if you want to kind of add in those two little dots for the eyes, two little dots for the nose, and then I could add in some more details if I wanted to. I could take this, kind of push the nose down a little bit more, push the bridge of the nose upwards. Okay. And there you go. It's Play-Doh fun. It's a little bull, maybe a ram, has some curly horns, or maybe it's even an elephant. I don't know, some kind of creature, but I made this yesterday and I thought it'd be cool to share with you guys. So enjoy some Play-Doh fun today. Show me what you're creating. I would love to see it. Have a great day, guys.